Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Christopher Rocky Godino, and I work for Visalia Toyota. Today, we're going to be discussing the 2020 redesigned Toyota Camry SE. Here we have a 18-inch alloy wheel, redesigned for comfort, style, and precision. The other really cool thing that we have on the vehicle is Toyota Safety Sense, which is completely standard on every vehicle that Toyota makes. What comes with Toyota Safety Sense is lane departure warning system. If you get close to one of the lanes, it's gonna beep and it's gonna notify you that you're going over that lane. Comes with a rear view backup camera. We also do have rear cross traffic alert, smart cruise control settings. A really good feature about this particular vehicle is the tremendous trunk space. If you're going to the store, you have that availability to fold down those seats and have that added extra space for your groceries or what have you. The Toyota Camry was introduced to the market back in 1983, and throughout its 37 years of existence, there has been many technological advancements in the vehicle, such as Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which give you the availability to be able to send text messages to your contacts, make phone calls. It gives you the availability to have a navigation system at no cost to you already built into the vehicle. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, my name is Christopher Rocky Godino. You can always count on us right here at Visalia Toyota. Have a great day.